Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another Leet Code daily challenge and it is Leet Code number 532 K different pairs in an array. And it is a medium level question and I also feel the same. So the question is given an array of integer nums and an integer k, return the number of unique k different pair in the array. Okay, so you need to return the unique k different. Okay, remember this. This is very important point. Now, a k different pair is an integer pair nums ij where the following are true. So, first of all, the I is less than j, and they both should be less than the length of the array. And the second is the absolute value of nums I minus num j should be equal to k. Okay, so I will explain the explanation part in the explanation part. Okay, so let's see the constraint. So the constraint is nums length can go up to 10 to the power 4, and secondly, nums I value can be from minus 10 to the power 7 to plus 10 to the power 7, and k value can also go till 10 to the power 7. Okay, so let's see the uh, explanation. Okay, so first of all, the brute force. What is the brute force? The brute force is very simple. You need to take two loop. Okay, you need two loop. Sorry, you need two loop and iterate it over I and j and find out every possible I j pair which is which different. Okay, let's say the means that ARR of I minus ARR of j and their ABS. Okay, you need to find the absolute value. So it is ABS is equals to k. If it is equals to k, simply increment the count. Okay, but here the trick is that it is said that you have to found out you need to find out every unique every unique possible combinations. Okay, so you cannot simply just count out. Okay, you need to. Okay, so you need to what you need to do? You can maintain a set. Okay, you can man sorry, you can maintain a set and put all these unique values like if ARR I minus ARR j is equals to k. Okay, so put this I and j value in pair. Okay, like if it is if the k value is 1 and the ARRI is 2 minus 1 is which is equivalent to the k, so you can put out a 2 comma 1 pair of integer. Okay, so the set will maintain the uniqueness of each element, and after that simply return and the set size. Okay, so you will get answer, but you can try out this approach, but this will may give you TLE because the constant it can be go up to 10 to the power 4, and searching in a set. Okay, is take log n time, and as you are traveling the n array in a into loop. Okay, I mean the nested loop, so it will take n square into n time, so it will give you a TLE. Okay, so how we will going to solve it? We use a hash map. Okay, we will use a hash map. Okay, or in C++ you can we can use a unorder map. Okay, as the searching an unorder map in average time take of one time, so you can use a of like unorder map. Okay, so what we will do? Let me take some example. Okay, let's say it is 1 1 1 2 3. Okay, and its k, this is the array and the k value is 0. Now what you need to do, you what first of all you just simply put all the element, it is the key and value is the frequency of that element in the array. Okay, it will store the frequency. Now 1 is 3 times, so I put, and the frequency will be 3. 2 is only 1 time, and 3 is also 1 time. Okay. Now here means there will be two conditions. One is for k is if k is equals to 0, and if k is greater than 0. Okay, I will for now let's see the k is equals to 0. Okay, so if k is equals to 0, as you can see here, these two can pair up and make it 0. These two is pair up and make it 0, and these two can also pair up. Okay, so it can be make it will make it 0. Okay, means 1 minus 1 will give you 0. Then again this 2, 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So 1 and this 2, 1, 1 will give you 0. But you can see that this element are same. Okay, this both element are same. So you have to consider it only one time. Okay, only one time. So for k is equals to 0, you need to find out some keys which frequency is greater than 1. Okay, some key which frequency is greater than 1. Why? Okay, for this example, if it is here 1 is repeating 3 time. Okay, so we can pair up 1 2 time. Okay, so we get 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. Okay, similarly, if we consider the frequency of 2 is, let's say, 2. Okay, so we can take this 2 and it is 0, so we can increment our count by 1. You have to remember that in this question you need to find out all the unique possibilities, so you need to increment the count value by just 1. Okay, every time you see some frequency. Okay, if it is possible to make pair, means if it is greater than 1, then you just simply need to increment the count value by 1, because we need only the uniques. Okay, unique values. Now for this example, the answer will be come out to be a 1. Okay, now what is the approach for k is greater than 0? Now I let me take another key and frequency, and take let me take another variable array like 3 1 4 1 5. I think this is the first example, and k value will be 2. Okay, so the initial approach are same. You need to first of all put all the elements into the key and store its frequency. So it is 3 one time, 1 2 time, 4 again 1 time, and 5 again 1 time. Okay, now what we have to do for this? For this example, first of all, you have noticed one thing, like if a minus b is equals to k, so a can be written as, okay, if not equal to, let's say it is equal to k, then a can be written as k plus b. Okay, I just shift this part into this side. Okay, so we will find out k plus every element present in the map. Okay, and again find this thing in our map. Okay, like first of all I take this 3 and I plus it with my k, means k is 2, and my first initially I put I take this part, and 2 plus 3, if it is present in the map, is which is equals to 5. If it is present in the map, yes it is present, so I increment by my count by plus uh plus equals to, okay, 1. I increment my count value by 1. Okay, then again I come here, from here I iterate through the map and I come here, then I take 2 plus 1. Is it is present? Yes it is, which is 3. It is present? Yes it is present in the map, so I will again increment my count by 1, so it will be 2. Okay, now I come here, then I check if for plus k value, which is 2, which is 6 is present in the map, no, so I will do nothing. Then again I will check 5 plus 2, which is 7 is present, no it is not present. Okay, so I will do nothing, so our answer will be 2. So you need to take care of these two conditions, if k equals to 0 and if k is greater than 0. These two separate condition. Okay. For k equals to 0, you need to find out some values whose frequency is greater than 1. Okay. And for k is greater than 0, you need to find out k plus elements. Okay, elements mean the keys of the in the map. Okay, and you need to find out if that equivalent is present in the map or not. If it is present, then then simply do count plus 1. Okay, so hope you understand it. Let me show you the code. Okay, so yeah, here I have taken an unordered map and I initially put all the element from the nums array to my map. Okay, then I take a count and I count variable and I just simply check two condition, if k is equals to 0 or else. Okay, or else k is greater than 0. Now I check if my frequency is greater than 1. If my frequency is greater than 1, as I told you, if 1 is present two time and you require 0, so 1 minus 1 is give you 0. So I just increment my count variable. Okay, otherwise if my k is greater than 1, then I just check my key, every key plus k, k plus key value is present in the map, so we just simply increment the count. Okay, and finally we just return the count. Now submit, let me submit the code. Okay, and hope you enjoy the video.